How to send part of a YouTube video. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can send a YouTube video from exactly stop time. YouTube as a platform is very popular and was the first to promote video material as a product. YouTube has everything from music to tutorials and many other contents. However, all that content needs to be shared. As podcasts became more and more popular, it became a requirement that you could send a video to someone and have it play at a precise second. This is possible to do. Let's see how. First of all, open the link in the description of this video. Once you've opened the link, tap the Get Shortcut button. This will open a shortcut application in which you need to add a shortcut by tapping on the long Add Shortcut. When you have done that, the shortcut should appear on the home page of the shortcut application. If it is there, now we can open YouTube. When you have found the video you want, tap the Share button. Scroll through the options until you find the More option. When you find it, tap on it. In the next window, we need to scroll until we find the option YouTube link with timestamp. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking us to enter the time from which we want the video to play. When you have entered the time, tap the Done button. After that, we can tap on the Copy button and send this link to someone. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.